This is Aim from Indiegogo. Today, I'm gonna unbox the CZUR Lens Pro for you guys. CZUR has launched multiple campaigns on Indiegogo. They have launched products such as CZUR Scanner, Aura Ultra Shine, and Aura Make Pro. They have collected 50,000 backers and 2,070 users all around the world. So let's check it out and see how the CZUR Lens Pro performs. So in the box, first we see, I think this is a mat that you can put out on the desk, and then it comes with a getting started guide and also a drive. Then it comes with a cord that you can plug it into your computer when you're trying to connect a scanner. So here it is. That's a scanner. It feels like very light, and it's folded into such a small one that I feel like I can just take it with me if I'm on a business trip or going somewhere and I need to, use a scanner for something. And also this one comes with a camera light, so you can actually use this as just a webcam for your business meetings. So instead of bringing a separate one, you can use this as a scanner and also a webcam at the same time. Pretty cool. Now let's set it up and see how it performs, shall we? Very easy. And they have a light here that you can turn it off or turn it on. And at the same time, if you're not using it as a scanner, you can actually fold it and just use it as a webcam. Alright, let's see how it scans things. Now I have the CZUR Lens Pro set up, and let's try to scan something and see how they turn out. So CZUR Lens Pro not only scans documents, pictures, sketches, passport ID, receipts, QR code, barcodes, stamps, and they even scan small objects. And so this is your ideal go-to portable scanner. So first, I have a piece of A4 paper, and let's try to scan this. Let's look at the result. Oh, pretty cool. And since this is sideways, let's turn it around and select confirm. Voila! Easy peasy. And let's try to scan something else. So my precious niece loves drawing, and she loves sending me those cute drawings. And I would like to save it as long as I can, but at the same time, papers are fragile. Anything can happen to them. Could get ripped, the color could get faded. So I think having a scanner is very handy, so I can scan her drawings. And let's scan this cute lucky monster. And sometimes if you feel like it doesn't focus very well, then you can try to press the focus button and then do the scanning. Now let's go back and take a look. Pretty good, isn't it? Alright, what else? Let's try to scan some receipts, because I have way too many receipts in my life, and I think having a digital scanner is just a great way to stay organized, because you don't have to keep all the papers around anymore as long as you have a digital copy of them. Oh, this is cool. They actually also have a function that they can separate multiple files. So when I have like 2 receipts, and actually just like separate them completely, and that's actually pretty neat. Yeah, they look great. So I also mentioned before they can scan pictures and other images. Let's try to see how that performs. First, I have a card. I picked this cute card for a friend, and I really want to send it to her. But before sending this card to my friend, I want to just keep a copy just because how cute is this? I noticed there's like a glare here, and I'm just gonna turn off a light. So this is actually a cool feature. It comes with a camera light, so it can be turned on and off. So when you are scanning documents, if you want more light, you can, turn on the camera lights so they will show up better. But with images, if it's gonna provide kind of like a glare on it, I can just go ahead and turn this off, and then it wouldn't have like a weird glare on the image anymore. Let's see. Pretty good. And I also love Instax films. Like, I love taking photos with my phone and then just use an Instax printer to print it out. So I have those little physical Instax pictures that I like to keep. But with Instax, it's also kind of hard to share the physical images with your friends. What's a better solution than just like scan them, and so you can share with them anytime with anyone from anywhere. How convenient is that? And here, let's see, I have 6 of them on here, and I think they're pretty focused. I want to make sure they're focused. I can also just like try to do that again. And now let's see, pretty neat, right? It also automatically separates all the 6 images into individual files. So when we go back, you can check out each one of them. I think that's pretty cool. Yeah. And what else? Oh, small objects. Okay. I have this little cute lamp that I would like to show you guys how they look. If I scan it, let's see here. That's pretty cool. So if you ever have an object that you want to show off to your friends, instead of photographing, you can also scan them and share as a file. That I like to show you is the OCR functionality. OCR stands for Optical Character Recognition. And with that functionality, CZUR Lens Pro enables you to transfer scan pages into editable files, which elevates scanning possibilities to a whole new level. Meanwhile, this functionality supports over 180 languages. And here I have an example, which was from one of the files that I scanned earlier. And if I press on the OCR button, it will tell me this is an English document, and I can export the file either into Docs, Excel, or PDF. And because this is an empty form, so I would like to fill it out, I will just export it as a Docs. And let's see what happens. Alright. documents. And nice. So now you can just fill in any kind of information, and that's pretty cool. A very handy feature. So here, for example, you can just type in and pretty cool. So that's it for our first impression of CZUR Lens Pro. I'm super looking forward to using it to organize my life in the future. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our campaign on Indiegogo.